Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm Edgy Blades, and this is the Kubey Momentum. It's designed by Sherif Maganas. And it is, of course, as you can see, an Ultem handle. And it is a flat ground bead blasted AUS10 blade. So definitely a step up from AUS8. And it does have a great edge to it. It's just really nice. Overall, we're looking at 7.91 inches. The blade is 3.43, so that's just under the 3.5, but still nice. It is a 0.12 inch, so it's a nice thin, slicey blade. And it's rated at a hardness of HRC 60 to 62. So that's pretty good. Handle length is 4.48 inches, and the thickness is 0.51, so it's just over a ½ inch, but it really feels great in the hand. Gotta say, it's an ambidextrous carry knife, and as you can see, they recess the screws in it, and it is reversible for lefties. You got the dual thumb studs, which are really nice, very comfortable. And aside from using the thumb studs, which work excellent, they're perfectly placed. You just get that nice purchase there and fires right out. This is also a front flipper, and with all that jimping that he provides there for his design, it works great as a front flipper. It's got the ceramic ball bearing action, so it really is nice and drop shutty, very smooth. And yeah, I like when I see Ultem with with this type of bead blast finish that they also, it just gives it more of a honey kind of like, rather than a bright yellow. And I really particularly like that when I got the Kubey Momentum. It's just, it's not too popping, but it's just really got a nice warm color to it. Very reminiscent, I guess, of maybe you could say Harrison Ford's Blade Runner pistol grip that he has. That's what I think about it. It's just got that really nice one. I did actually ground this down just recently. I got rid of that other little lip for a finger groove on my C-toe. I used a work sharp. It took less than a minute of just grinding it down. And if you ever have the C-toe, I can't recommend that enough, because now I'm not limited for at least these other digits. And I do find that in reverse grip, the fingers just drop perfectly. You don't have that little lip in the way. So that's just my little bit of advice. But enough about the C-toe, which is awesome knife. This is a pretty awesome knife, and it's a great size. The handle length is 4.48 inches. As I said, 0.51 for the thickness. And the weight is a very decent 4.48 ounces. So can't go wrong there. And this is, well, it used to be available in D2, like I mentioned, or may not have mentioned. But now you can also get this in M390. They have various ones I've seen on White Mountain Knives. They have a black titanium with M390. It's got the what they call black wash finish to it, probably like a bead blast or bead blast or a stone wash, probably stone wash. They have a gray titanium with an M390 blade. They have a flame stripe titanium with M390. All three of those are 176 if you were to get those. They also have several of the G10 and stonewash or bead blast finish knives. They have red G10 and black stonewash. They have JG10 with a black stonewash, black G10, bead blast, green G10, dark stonewash, Ultem. As you can see, they also have an Ultem with a dark stonewash for the AUS10. And they also have a translucent yellow G10 with a dark stonewash. And those range from 54 to 52 to 50, or to 60. This one here is 60, but if you use my code NCN, you can get 10% off if you choose to get this from White Mountain Knives. I highly recommend it. So we got a perfect center lineup on this here. And for as no frills as this is, it just feels great. It's got that neutral grip to it, and it's just really nice. And I didn't really get this for me. I got this for my brother. He loved the color of the handle on my Cito so much that he just really, really digged it. And also a huge Blade Runner fan. So this one here is for my brother Brian, and he is getting this one here. I just wanted to give it a quick review, and I think I'm gonna get myself one too, because I'm really, really impressed with it. I just love the neutralness of it, but I love the milling on this here. Fires so fast out. And the jimping on there, I know he's a big fan of jimping, and it kind of got that little ramp up on the blade there too, so it's got perfect thumb placement. It's just really comfortable and exceptionally comfortable in reverse grip if you happen to use it like so, or like so. If you have to go through anything like there, or if that's your way of using defensive tactics with that neutral grip, it's just, it's great. So yeah, well done there, Sherif Maganas. I hope I'm saying your name right. And I appreciate you stopping by and checking out the video. And feel free to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know what you think of it. And I will see you guys on the next one. Take care.